Did you know that the trading industry has seen a massive surge in funding, with some trader programs offering up to $1 million in capital to new traders? That's right, the opportunities are bigger than ever. Funded trader programs have been making waves in the trading community, and for good reason. These programs offer a unique opportunity for traders to access large amounts of capital, allowing them to take their trading to the next level. But what exactly are funded trader programs, and why are they so significant? In essence, funded trader programs provide traders with the necessary tools and resources to succeed in the markets. This includes access to capital, training, and support, all of which can be instrumental in helping traders achieve their goals. As we'll see later on, these programs can be incredibly beneficial for traders who are looking to scale their operations and take their trading to new heights. For many traders, accessing capital is a major hurdle that can stand in the way of achieving success. Without sufficient funds, it can be difficult to execute trades with confidence, leading to missed opportunities and lost profits. This is where funded trader programs come in. They provide traders with the capital they need to take their trading to the next level without the burden of financial risk. Many traders struggle to access capital, often due to a lack of financial resources or a limited credit history. This can make it difficult to secure funding through traditional means, such as loans or investors. As a result, many traders are forced to rely on their own savings or limited funds, which can severely restrict their ability to trade effectively. Funded trader programs aim to solve this issue by providing traders with access to capital, regardless of their financial background or credit history. This allows traders to focus on what really matters, making trades and generating profits. In addition to providing access to capital, funded trader programs also offer a range of other benefits, including training, support, and community engagement. This can be incredibly valuable for traders who are looking to improve their skills and learn from others. With so many funded trader programs available, it can be difficult to know which one to choose. That's why it's essential to do your research and find a program that aligns with your goals and values. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, there's a funded trader program out there that can help you achieve your objectives. One of the key challenges of funded trader programs is finding a program that is both reputable and reliable. Unfortunately, not all programs are created equal, and some may have hidden fees or unrealistic requirements. As we'll explore later on, some of the top funded trader programs of 2024 stand out from the competition due to their unique features and benefits. From proprietary trading platforms to personalized coaching, these programs offer a range of advantages that can help traders succeed in the markets. When selecting a funded trader program, it's essential to look for programs that offer transparency, accountability, and a clear track record of success. This can help ensure that you're partnering with a reputable program that has your best interests at heart. Let's take a closer look at some of the top funded trader programs of 2024 and explore what sets them apart from the competition. First up, we have the Trader's Edge program, which offers up to $1 million in capital to successful traders. This program stands out due to its proprietary trading platform, which provides traders with real-time market data and advanced analytics. Next, we have the Trader's Pit program, which offers a range of benefits, including personalized coaching and community support. This program is ideal for traders who are looking to improve their skills and learn from others. Another standout program is the Funding Factory, which provides traders with access to up to $500,000 in capital. This program is unique due to its focus on automated trading strategies, which can help traders generate profits with minimal risk. We also have the Pro Trader program, which offers up to $200,000 in capital to successful traders. This program stands out due to its comprehensive training program, which covers everything from fundamental analysis to advanced technical strategies. Next, we have the Trader's Ally program, which provides traders with access to up to $300,000 in capital. This program is unique due to its focus on community engagement, with regular webinars and workshops designed to help traders succeed. Another top-funded trader program is the Market Masters program, which offers up to $400,000 in capital to successful traders. This program stands out due to its personalized coaching, with experienced traders providing one-on-one guidance and support. We also have the Trader's Launchpad program, which provides traders with access to up to $250,000 in capital. This program is unique due to its focus on emerging markets, with a range of opportunities available for traders who are looking to diversify their portfolios. Last but not least, we have the Trading Academy program, which offers up to $150,000 in capital to successful traders. This program stands out due to its comprehensive training program, which covers everything from beginner-friendly strategies to advanced techniques. Of all the funded trader programs we've explored, one stands out as the clear winner, the Trader's Edge program. With its proprietary trading platform, comprehensive training, and personalized coaching, this program offers a range of benefits that can help traders succeed in the markets. But what really sets the Trader's Edge program apart is its track record of success. With countless success stories from traders who have used the program to generate profits, it's clear that this program is the real deal. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, the Trader's Edge program has something to offer. From access to capital to personalized coaching, this program provides traders with the tools and resources they need to succeed. In conclusion, funded trader programs can be an incredibly powerful tool for traders who are looking to take their trading to the next level. By providing access to capital, training, and support, these programs can help traders overcome the challenges of accessing capital and achieving success in the markets. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a question. Have you had any experiences with funded trader programs? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more trading insights and tips.